Students, this is Vinod from Endurance Engineering Academy. So today I'm just going to discuss about how to prepare for GATE Engineering Science, that is GATE XC. Okay, so this is a most generalized video where I'm going to focus and also most generalized and most focused video where I'm going to focus completely on GATE XC only. We might be preparing for GATE XC A and then general aptitude. These two things are compulsory, as you guys know that. Other than that, whatever the balance topic which is left out, for example, fluid mechanics and solid mechanics and thermodynamics. So these are the three things which we deal with EEA. Other than this, there are some other topics also. For example, material science is there, food tech is there. Okay. And material science, food technology, and polymer science, edge science. Okay, so all these things are, all these subsections are available in engineering science. These are the basic ideas of engineering science. I have already made a video regarding engineering science, which means how to what is engineering science and what are the sections which is available. We'll attach that video in the description. You can go through it. But what you can expect in this video, I will be talking about how to prepare, where to prepare, what to prepare. Okay, so all these three questions will be answered: how to prepare, where to prepare, and what to prepare. And also when to prepare, I guess I already answered it in the previous videos. Okay, so these are the three questions which I will be majorly focusing on, and I will be concentrating on what are all the questions you need to practice, etc. Okay, these are the ideas. I'm just going to say what are all the things which you need to start with from A to Z. Okay. Last year, I have made a similar type of analysis for GATE ME, that is how to get 80 plus marks in GATE Mechanical. I have another video for GATE Mechanical which I will be posting maybe after a week or 3 to 4 days. So this video is going to be focused towards GATE XC. Okay, right. So first of all, I'm just giving you the brief idea. What are the things you need to follow? The first one is you need to concentrate on the concepts. That's obviously. And what are the things you need to do? You can develop it from standard books, and there are some other ways. We will discuss about it. This is just a brief. Okay, this is just an agenda. Okay, this is just an agenda of this entire video. The second step, practice, and when, where, and how to practice, and how it is going to be different from GATE ME paper, because few of the students, mechanical students, will be writing engineering science, right? So how this is going to be different from ME, and revision and different strategies associated with this, and test series, and then finally the fifth step will be guidance. I will talk about each and every step in detail, so you need to be patient because this video might take some 30 minutes or something. Okay, right. So first of all, I'm going to start giving you the different ways in which you are going to prepare. The first way, the basic way is preparing from standard books. Okay. So the concepts which you are going to learn, see, I'm just giving you the different ways. Don't think that this is the only way. Okay, this is the first way. The first way is to prepare from standard books, and where I can refer. Okay, coming to engineering mathematics is concerned, it's going to be Gravel and Erwin Kreisig. I hope that these two books are very, very famous book. Maybe in your BTech level, or if you are doing your MTech or something, you would have surely gone through this, right? Gravel and Erwin Kreisig for concepts. Okay. And problems also, you can practice some problems from Gravel and some problems from Erwin Kreisig. Also, you can try going through that. Now, coming to fluid mechanics, that is XCB, Som and Biswas. I hope this is a very, 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 very famous book for fluid mechanics. Most of you guys should have seen. And Sengel and Bowles. See, both of these are good in concepts, and in Som and Biswas, you will be having number of example problems also. Okay, other than this, there are some other books. For example, Subramania is there, where it will be very useful for problems, and Modi and Seth is there, where it will also be useful for problems. But as of now, I'm focusing on the concept, from where you can concentrate, where you can learn the concept. These two books will be sufficient. Okay, you don't need number of books. These two books will be more than sufficient. And now coming to thermodynamics, a very famous one, Pekan, and then Sengel and Bowles. These two are for basic theories. Okay, these two are for basic thermodynamics. And now coming to Estop and McConkie, this is for applied thermodynamics, which means Which means the topics like power plant, Rankine cycle, okay, and then Otto cycle, diesel cycle, those things, the cycles that you can learn from Estop and McConkie. And if more precisely for RAC, there is a book called the CP Aurora, but I'm just listing you these 3 books because that will be enough for concepts, for learning the basic concepts, right? And now coming to XCD, that is solid mechanics. EM is concerned, the concept of physics by H.C. Verma, most of the JEE aspirants will be knowing it, okay? Then Timoshenko, okay, that is engineering mechanics. And then FL Singer, that is also engineering mechanics, okay? And then strength of materials, Hibbeler and Timoshenko will be enough. My go-to book will be Hibbeler, but Timoshenko is also well and good, okay? But obviously for EM, you have to mix. One is concept of physics, plus either you take Timoshenko or FL Singer, okay? Timoshenko or FL Singer, okay, right? And now for vibration, even the Rattan is also fine because stereo machines combined with vibration, Rattan is also fine. And then you can, or else if you want vibration to be more specific, more detailed, then Grover will be fine. But still, vibration is concerned for XCB, topic is very, very less. It is not like ME, it is not detailed like ME. For ME, vibration has more concepts, but for XC, it has very, very less concepts compared to ME. So this Rattan, it will be suffice, I believe so. Okay. Now coming to, what is it? I discussed about standard books, right? This is the first step. That means first option I am giving you. I have another option. Okay, I have another option. I'm just giving you the first option, that is going for the standard book. The problem or the advantage with standard book is you are going to learn it by yourself. You are going to go through each and every concept from the book. You are going to understand each and everything from the book. So you will be learning it in a complete clarity. But there is an issue, that is time and syllabus. The problem with standard book is you won't be able to optimize the syllabus. Standard books have everything. Okay, it will be having everything from A to Z. But what to study for GATE and what not to study for GATE, that is going to be a problem. So this will take, this will take some time for you to understand what are the things you need to learn and what are the things you cannot learn. There are number of students, example, where they will prefer going for standard books, and then they will be preparing for 1 year, and after the 1 year itself they will be able to complete only some 4 to 5 subjects maximum. By investing 12 months of time, they will able to complete only 4 to 5 subjects. The reason is they are not able to optimize their preparation. The syllabus is not optimized in standard books, and coming to standard books as concerned, the syllabus optimization is something which will be a challenging part, and that will consume more time. So of course it has an advantage, standard book has an advantage, but the disadvantage is also something which is going to be crucial, since you will able to complete 4 to 5 subjects, maximum 6 to subjects only in 1 year. So if you are planning to prepare with standard book, then the number of months you are going to invest in preparation should be more. Okay, that is one point. Now coming to the other option, coaching. Obviously, most of you would have gone through number of videos regarding GATE coaching, regarding GATE exam preparation, etc. The one thing which students confuses regarding the coaching is choosing a right coaching institute. Of course, as you guys know that we are also having a coaching institute. We are conducting online classes, offline classes. But at the same time, how to choose a right coaching for your GATE exam preparation? That is something which is a big question mark, which needs to be answered in a straightforward way. Okay, without running around the bushes. I need to give you a straightforward answer. Okay, what are all the things you need to do in order to choose a right coaching? The first thing, okay, and also what are the things you should not do? I will give you both. First thing, you need to check their demos. And try to check demos of all the subject instead of checking one subject or 2 subjects. The reason why I am saying is, for example, there may be few institutes or there may be few places where 1 subject or 2 subject will be handled in a very good way, but there is a possibility for flaw in some other 2 subjects or other 3 subjects. So my recommendation is at least to go through 2 videos from each subject, minimum 2 videos from each subject. If possible, go through more than that. So 2 video means at least 30 minutes, okay? At least 30 minutes of the content of each subject, so that you will have more clarity regarding how they are delivering different subjects. Okay, that is the first thing. And then I said rank, but the point to note here, the rank is little bit misleading. Okay, because we cannot say that if there are number of toppers in an institute, it doesn't mean that the institute is superior. Why I'm saying, for example, if 5,000 students studied in an institute, okay, 5,000 students, or let us consider 10,000 students studied in an institute, out of the 10,000 students producing some 20 to some 50 ranks, it doesn't matter at all. I hope you are getting the point, right? Because out of 10,000 students, only 20 to 50 students are getting a rank, means it doesn't matter at all, okay? So I hope you got the point. So there may be an institute where more than 10,000 also studying, okay? There may be 20,000 students will be studying in an institute, and they will be getting some rank, like they will be getting some 100 ranks out of it, okay, 100 toppers out of it. That doesn't matter at all, okay? If suppose the institute has a very limited strength and it produces a very good rank, then that is something which you need to concentrate on. That is point 2. And third, try to register for free courses. Obviously, most of the institute offer some free courses. Try to go through their free courses so that you will understand how the course is oriented, okay? If it is an online course or offline course, whatever, try to go through their free content, free courses, you will get to know. Free courses means it's not only the lectures, you can go through the test series, you can go through how the portal is there, etc., right? And then checking the review. It is very, very important. Check the reliable reviews, Google review and Play Store review. If suppose there was any other review where, where a student will be directly involved in reviewing it. Because if you are going for example, Institute A, okay, and then Institute B. The institute is listing their reviews in their website, okay? They are listing their reviews in their websites. It may be true, it may be not. It may be fake or it may be true, okay? It doesn't mean that this is going to be, this is going to be 100% true. And the Institute B, they are listing out their reviews in some source such as, for example, Google Play Store. You can go to the app and then you can see the reviews. You can go to Google reviews and you can go through the reviews. And obviously, even though if there are some 10 to 20% of fake reviews, okay, there is a chance still. I have to be open, right? There is a chance still. But 70 to 80% of the reviews will be true. Okay, if it is a proper portal where where a student directly shares his experience, instead of going through the websites, instead of going through the particular institute websites, try to go through some public platform where the reviews are collected. Okay, the two transparent one is Play Store and Google. If you able to find out any other source also, you can try to find out where the reviews are given. Okay, so that is regarding choosing the right coaching. Okay, and now I have given you all the ideas, right? Like what you need to do in order to choose the right coaching, what you should not do in order to choose the right coaching, what you need to do, check the demos of each and every subject, okay, not only 1 or 2 subjects, and check their free courses, and also how you need to decide the rank, that also I said, and check the review in a reliable source. Okay, don't check it in the website or something like something like Quora, even yeah, there are number of fake reviews in Quoras. Okay, even when I also gone through a review, even I have written, I will say openly, okay, I have written review about my institute, Endurance Engineering Academy in Quora. See, I will say one thing, from my account, I have written review about EE. Okay, I have written review about EE. The account holder will be my name. Okay, it is going to be Vinod. I have written review about EEA. That is okay. That is fine. Still, it is fine. But there will be number of anonymous reviews. You could have gone through that. Once after going through that, okay, I just felt that okay, this is not right. I should not write hereafter. I should not write review about my institute in Quora, and then I stopped it there itself, because there are number of anonymous reviews, which is a paid review. To be honest, I received number of calls from paid marketers where I have to pay them, where they will be writing number of reviews about my institute in Quora. I hope you are getting the point. Okay, once after going through that and once after understanding it, I just stopped believing in Quora. Okay, there will be number of anonymous reviews and you need to be careful about it. Okay, that is one more point. Okay, so I have given you all the ideas, I guess. Okay, now coming to coaching. Choosing whether online or offline, it varies from person to person. Okay, maybe few person will be preferring online, the self-paced learning, etc. And few person will be preferring the classroom environment, offline coaching, etc. Whichever you are convenient, that you need to decide. Okay, that is something which a student need to decide whether it is online or offline. But coming to, I will just give you my example, that is our institute example. Coming to offline as concerned, we have number of special features. Okay, I will give you about the differences online, offline and all later. Okay, I'm not going to discuss now. But I have already made a video regarding our institute. I have made a video. This video is not regarding the complete marketing or saying about my institute. This video is something which I just want to spread some awareness about everything, okay, regarding GATE EXE preparation. Now, the next one, okay, these are the some things, choosing a right institute, right? Next one, guidance. If you choose a right institute, obviously there will be direct guidance. A faculty will be giving you a one-to-one guidance. Okay, so that will be happening and depends on where you are choosing. Okay, so try to understand in which institute there are proper guidance, and then based on that you can decide it. And doubt support, this is something which is very, very crucial. Okay, this is very, 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 very crucial. Okay, so choosing a right institute, have all these things to be taken care of. Okay, check how the doubt support group are, how the doubt support teams works in the institute, and how the guidance sessions are handled. And one more thing, these are plus points when I compare it with standard books, because in case of standard books, the time and syllabus optimization will be difficult, but in case of coaching institute, that is not going to happen. That will be already optimized. And one more thing is, you will be getting an added advantage of guidance and doubt support, which you won't able to get it. And you might ask me a question, sir, then standard books are completely, unnecessary or what? No, it is not unnecessary. It is really important, and it is going to play a major role when you are preparing for interviews. Even though you attend a very good coaching, okay, very, very good coaching, still you need to prepare for interview, right? So during that time, you need to focus on the standard book. There is no doubt about it. Okay. Right. Now, coming to problems as concerned, what type of problems you need to practice? As GATE EXE is concerned, first you need to focus on EXE previous questions. No doubt about that. EXE previous question. Concentrate on some good test series. Concentrate on some good question bank. Okay. And what type of problem in the sense, try to concentrate on varieties. Okay, instead of solving similar type of questions, try to solve different varieties of questions, which you will be getting it in previous question, test series and question bank. And we Endurance Engineering Academy has a separate course for all, that is for previous question, test series and question banks. All those things we have separate course. You can check that out later. Okay. And the quality of that also, that is quality, how the test series will be there, how the question bank will be there. For all those things, there is a demo, you can go through it. Now, coming to practice, where to practice, I have already given you. These two is a similar type of a question. You need to practice variety of question, and where to practice this one. Okay, choose a right place where you can get a quality test series, quality question bank, etc. Right? And how to practice problem. This is very crucial. This is very important. How to practice a problem. See, coming to how to practice a problem, you should not directly see the question and the solution. Spend some time with the question. That is the first thing. Okay, spend some time. If you take a question, spend some time with that question. Okay, how many number of minutes you are spending with a single question? All those things are learning, all those things are advantages. Find out the keywords from the question. Try to find out the keywords. Try to find out which concepts you are going to apply in that question. Try to find out where you are doing mistakes in the question. So if you are solving a question, it is not like directly taking a question, seeing the solution, moving to next. Taking a question, seeing the solution, moving to next. You should never do that. Try to focus. Try to focus on solving the problem by what? By struggling with the question. Yeah, that is the word I need to say. So struggling, you need to struggle with each of the question. Okay, that is very important. That is how to practice problems. And how it is different from any paper, those who are from mechanical engineering student, there will be drastic difference, at least some 20 to 30%. And this 20 to 30% difference, you might be seeing it in syllabus also. There are few places, for example, in fluid mechanics, there will be some syllabus differences. In TD, there will be minute syllabus difference. And in XEA, that is in mathematics, there will be some syllabus difference. So there will be syllabus difference. There will be difference in the problems how they are asking. For example, in case of thermodynamics, they will be focusing majorly on thermodynamic relations, mixture of gases, and those areas which are very less concentrated in GATE-ME. Okay, and coming to fluid mechanics, there will be a new chapter called as potential flows. Okay, there will be new chapter called as potential flows. There will be Navier-Stokes equations, there will be RTT, Reynolds transport theorem. Those things are not there in any paper. Okay, so that 20 to 30% syllabus difference, and also the way in which they ask the problems will be different, and that you can understand by going through a proper previous year questions of GATE XC and proper test series and proper question bank. It is not like just going through just going through ME questions or ME test series will not be sufficient for you guys. Okay, that is something which I wanted to highlight. So that is going to be different from ME. Okay, that is regarding practice. And now regarding revisions, for all these three, there is short notes, periodical revision through questions. For all these things, I have already made a video. A detailed workshop has been done regarding revision and regarding regarding GATE exam preparation. I will attach that video in the description because I don't want to prolong this video for more than 30 minutes. Already it was 20 minutes, right? So I don't want to prolong it more time. So regarding the short notes, how to do periodical revision, how to do revisions through question, all those things I have made a separate video. I will attach it in the description. You can go through that, right? And our test series, this one I have already done. That is what type of problems you need to practice. As I said, try to go through the quality, that is, try to register for a quality test series. What does mean by quality test series, sir? I don't able to get your point in the sense. Take the demo, okay? Take the demos of that particular test series which you are planning to register. Check how the questions are, how different, how is the variety of the question, okay? Check how relevant it is to GATE exam, to GATE XC. And you can find out the relevance of GATE XC test series and GATE exam exact paper by solving previous year questions. So if you solve previous year questions of GATE XC, you will be able to find out how relevant it is. Okay. So these are the two things which you can verify before registering for a test series. Okay. So I guess, fourth point, and then I forgot the sixth one, right? A guidance, which is very, very important. Why it is very, very important? See, this is going to be a little bit, a large journey, right? We are going to start from zero. We're going to start from A. You need to travel until Z. So if you are going to travel in this large journey, this big journey, you surely need some guidance in between. There should be some person who needs to help you in between, because you will get stuck in between. You will get stuck in between. There will be a possibility where you might be sitting in a place where you don't know what to do. That situation might happen, and during that situation, you need some person for guiding you. And most probably, if you choose a correct institute, if you choose a right institute, that I already covered it. Okay, if you choose a right coaching institute, obviously you won't able to worry about this. They will be taking care of the guidance. You can choose a proper mentor, and they will be taking care of everything. Okay, so that is regarding guidance, and this is, you don't take this as a very less very less point. It is a very important point. Okay, it's also a critical point to be noted. Okay, so I discussed about all the 5 points, a brief discussion. Okay, and also I given you the different books which you can follow. Okay, you can just pause the video and then you can note down what are the books you can follow. If you are going to follow the first approach, standard books. If you are going to follow the second approach, that is coaching approach, then I have given you what are all the things you need to do in order to choose the right coaching, and from where to practice and how to do the revision. How to do the revision, I will add a video. You can go through that. Okay, how to write short notes, how to do periodical revision, how to do revision through questions, all those things. I will add a video. You can go through that. And then test series also, what are the things you need to look? You need to look how good the questions are through demos, and how relevant it is by comparing it with the previous year questions. Okay, right, and also the importance of guidance. Now, finally, just 2 minutes. This is our results in GATE 2023. Okay, so it is from PI, XC. So we have mechanical engineering coaching also, if you don't know. This is our results, again the common results from GATE 2023. GATE 2021 and GATE 2020 results, it was there in the website, you can go through it. Okay, just want to discuss about our classroom and online program. I will just highlight few points regarding our classroom program. We will be allocating only 15 students in the classroom, around 800 hours, and there will be a steady library facility for a student. You can use that library facility for your preparation until 7 p.m. in the evening. Mostly for the complete 7 days, the library will be open. You can use until 7 p.m. Okay, and then one-to-one individual focus will be there. I will be directly guiding the students from my side, and both offline and online test series is provided. Okay, and the more important point, if you are able to maintain 95% of the attendance in the classroom program, and if suppose in some negative way you are not able to perform well in your first attempt, then your second attempt coaching will be completely free. Okay, your second attempt coaching will be completely free. Okay, I'm not asking you to decide based on my words. Okay, so you can decide it by going through all this. Okay, choosing the right coaching. Okay, choosing the right coaching is something which I want you guys to do. Okay, go through all this and then you can decide. Okay, right. Now coming to, that is regarding classroom program, right? We have online program also which can be accessed directly in app or our portal, and for our online students also I will be the person who will be guiding, and I will be handling all the subjects for the online students also. Okay, so these are the things which I wanted to share at the end of the video. Okay, and we have our app and we have our portal, everything which is there in the description, you can go through it. If there is anything else also, there is a number you can contact us. Okay, so I hope this video may be very useful for you guys to choose a right coaching or how to prepare and from where to practice, etc, etc, etc. So if there is any other doubts, you can comment, or else you can WhatsApp us in the number whatever I'm displaying in the description. Okay, thank you.